If you are a Christian, beware for all this film that is trending online. All this, they will tell you, come and see this celebrity. Her sex video have exposed. Or come and see this young girl. Her sex video has been exposed. And you as a Christian, you have vowed in your life that you're not going to watch all this BF and all this nonsense film anymore in your life. Because you know that when you watch all this BF, you will possess with a spirit of immorality. Now, you may use because of how the pictures of those girls and those young boys that their sex video have exposed online, you may use because their pictures is trending online. You may say, oh, let me go and watch, let me go and see this video, let me go and see this video that is trending online. My brother, my sister, when you go and look for that video and when you get that video, Satan will help you to get that video fast. Satan will give you the link. Satan will help you to get that video. And when you watch that video, what will happen? You are going back to your vomit. You are going back to Egypt. You are going back to what you say, Lord, I will not do this anymore. Because I don't understand what is happening in this end time. Every day, this girl video have exposed. Every day, this guy video has been exposed. And immediately, even many Christians are not watching this BF. We say, let me go and watch that video and know what happened. Every day, this girl video have exposed. Every day, this boy video have exposed. And the way people, bloggers, content creators, the way they will advertise these videos and these pictures of those girls online, many Christians will say, let me go and watch, let me go and watch, let me go and see, let me go and see. As a Christian you are, don't go and watch, don't go and look, because from looking you will enter inside the pit. From saying let me go and see, from seeing it you will enter into the pit. Don't watch those videos. Thank you and God bless you. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagoba. Shalom. Make sure you share this video.